Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, and happy holidays, happy Merry Christmas or Merry Christmas. And I'm doing my video here with my nice Christmas tree, and we're gonna get in the little Christmas spirit. But before we do that, I want to go ahead and do a what's on my bag, because I always see those videos that other girls do what's in my bag, and I always get it's kind of relaxing just to see what people have in their bag. So I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna do a video on my channel of what's in my bag. So yeah, so let's get started. So this is my bag. This is the current bag I'm using. I've been using it for a couple months. So yeah, so it's a Michael Kors, and it's a I usually carry this like this, you know, like this, just on my right here. It has like a little, you know, you can put it on your shoulder, but I don't know, it's just sometimes it's so heavy just to carry my shoulder, so I just like carrying it, grab it from the handles. So yeah, it has a little like a little lock. It's it has a MK for Michael Kors. This is on the side in the bag, and then we're gonna see in the inside. Yeah guys, I have a lot of junk, sorry. So it has this little thing and it clicks right here, whatever, but yeah, and it fits a lot of stuff. So yeah, so there's my bag. But anyways, let's get started. So the first thing I have in my bag is just my car keys. You know, everybody needs that. My second, I like to have these little pouch bags in my bag, because I get to be organized. That's what I have. That's my mentality, to be organized. So what I have in here is just so vitamin B12. I carry my vitamin, and then I have my little eyebrow thing, EOS chapstick, and then I have my eyebrow powder, because you know, sometimes I always need to touch up, and yes, so I always carry that in here. I didn't know I had my vitamin B12 in there, but now I found it, so there it is. So I carry most of the lipsticks in here, but yeah, so anyways, that's what it is. I have this little pouch, and it's just woman stuff for your every monthly. So I like to have it just in a little pouch, just so I don't have it around it. And then my kids go through my purse, and yeah. And then what else do I have? Oh, I have my vlog camera. I have it in this little thing because it's just it's a thicker than just a regular pouch, and it protects my camera from everything. So I have a lotion, and it's just from Sally's. Oh, I carry this because I usually, you know, have my camera or my phone, and these are awesome, you guys. I get these from 99 cents. I like to at least get 2 of them because they're only 99 cents, and they come in a pack of 100, and it's they're really nice to clean your electronics, your laptop, your tablet. So I do everything with this, so I like to carry these in my purse. I have a marker. I have a lot of stuff, you guys. I am so sorry. I have my anxiety pills. I have anxiety. And then I have a lot of lipsticks, I think. I can't even find stuff, guys. How bad is this? Oh, I have my Quay Australia glasses. I love them. I don't know what they are, but what name? Because you know how they have little names. I think these are I don't know what they are, but these are it. And I usually don't carry them in my purse because I should just leave them in my car, but since I'm driving my husband's car this week, I tend to have those in my purse. I have snacks, guys. Yes, because my boys usually get hungry, and you know, having a snack for them. And then sometimes the twins get kind of well, I want this, and no, I have to get ready. So I usually carry snacks in my purse because I have kids and they get hungry. So these are good. I have a AAA bill. Oh, I have my earphones. Which okay, now this is what it is. Okay, my son, one of my twins was with me last night, and he collects these cards. So he just gave me all his cards because they, you know, they have a tendency of leaving their stuff everywhere. So it was like a little period that they will lose all the toys. And you know, I kind of told him, like, you know, when you're done playing with your toy, if we're out in the store, give them to me. It'll be really good, like, you know, oh, here mom, here's my toy. But now it's like they get tired of their toy and they just go back and stick it in my purse, and then I do not know until I'm switching purses. And this is my wallet, just personal stuff, nothing too exciting. It's just like this. I have a mess in here too, but yeah. That's my wallet, and I got this wallet at Ross, I believe, and I believe it was just like $1. That was a bargain. And, oh, and I have more of those cards, which is crazy. I have a lot of lipsticks. Now I know where all my lipsticks are at. Oh, and I love having like wipes, like these wipes. I have wipes everywhere, all around my house. I have them in my car. I have them in my husband's car. I have them in my purse. I think I even have some in the twins backpacks because these are a miracle. And even though you don't even have kids, yeah, wipes are your lifesavers. Hair tie. Ooh. A Captain America. A Lightning McQueen. I can't believe I have all that. It's so crazy. I have my 20% Ulta coupon. Ooh. Okay, so I have a Kat Von D lipstick, and this is a Carn Gel. So this is it. And I have a Bare Minimum one. I have a Tarte one. Let me see. I have a Victoria's Secret perfume. A Bath and Body antibacterial hand sanitizer, and this is My Unicorn Made Me Do It. And this one smells really good, guys, because one time I was at Walmart and there was like, I just grabbed it and squeezed it in my hand while I was online to pay, and then this guy, this older gentleman, turned around and complimented me on my perfume because he's like, oh my god, your perfume smells good. And I was like, I think it's my hand sanitizer. So he's like, oh my god, I have to run. So he's like, I have to go get some for my wife. So that was really nice of him, you know. So yeah, he really liked it too. So I have another Bare Minerals, and another Bare Minerals, I don't know, Too Faced and Stila. And I usually like stick with the nudes. Can you guys see? Well, this one's red and this one's red too. All reds, but yeah, pretty much all nudes. I thought I used more color lip things, but I guess I used more nudes. I have a receipt. And then what else do I have? Another lipstick. Oh my god, you guys, I'm crazy. I have a Baby Lips, and this one's one of my favorites, you guys. It's the Too Cool, and every time I have my lips really dry or chapped, I usually reach in for this one. This is like one of my best chapsticks. You know, I like EOS, don't get me wrong, but sometimes they can get too dry, and then the Baby Lips always, I feel them always moisty and everything, so I like it. And then what else? I think that's it. Oh my god, is that it? I had a lot of stuff. This is my little candy kind of little thing. I got this at the Dollar Tree. And I usually like to save like my little candies. So I have like a little mint, and then, I don't know how to say that. And it's the apple caramel. And I like to keep all my candy in there. So that's almost done. So, sorry. Okay, what else do I have? Do I have anything else? Let me check it out. I think that's it, guys. That wasn't that bad of a video, right? And I have some, I hate carrying coins in my purse, so I only have to open it. But I do have a key on this. Like, there's a key in here. I really do not know if I can put this lock somewhere else. This is, and then this unlocks. There you go. And then this is like a little key. Okay. And then these unlock. And then I can make my purse bigger. Right? Yeah, I can do it. Yeah, see, it will open up more so I can show you better. Okay, there you go. Now, this is my purse. So I already showed you this side. So this side has two of the baggies, and on this side, it has that zipper one right here. Is it open? No, it's closed. So it has this zipper, and then it has one, and then it has the other. It has like a smaller bag right there. So you guys can see that, and that's all. And then it has this little thing to lock the top. And that's it, guys. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I don't know what else I can show you, but yeah. And you know, hopefully you guys like these kind of videos. I usually like them because they're really relaxing. I don't know. It's like probably, I don't know. They're just really relaxing for me, and I like it because other people do what's in my bag. You know, you get to see what they carry, and it's just kind of like crazy. I'm not, in no means, I'm organized. I know I have so many junk in here, and pretty much I think the lipsticks are going out. That's for sure. The toys are going out. The snacks I'm keeping, like my other little things I noticed that I should not have in my purse, they're coming out. So yeah, I had to come in here and say hi, and hopefully you guys like it and subscribe to my channel. Bye.